Okay, guys, good afternoon. My name is Teacher Abel, and well, we're going to, well, first let me thank you guys for being here, and we're going to talk about the water cycle today. So let's go ahead and start the presentation by asking you, what do you understand by the water cycle? If you can maybe give me some idea somewhere, what do you understand about it?
Yeah, pretty much the process that makes rains, and um, I remember the cycle. It was condensation, evaporation. It's pretty much.
All right, that's okay. You have a pretty good idea. Let's see, Hector, what can you tell us about it? What do you understand?
Well, I don't know how to explain. Uh, I don't know. Sorry.
That's okay. Then we're going to dig into the subject. So I'm going to leave Teacher Joanna, to continue, so she can give you some more input on it.
Thank you.
Good afternoon. So I'm going to present you something, and please let me know if you can see it.
Yeah, I do.
Yes?
Yes.
Okay. So, Teacher Anna?
Okay. What we are going to do, you are going to click on text, and you are going to write what phases of the water cycle do you remember? Okay.
I don't remember the exact order, but I know it was evaporation, condensation, collection.
Yes, you can write just one.
Oh, just one? Okay.
Just one. All right. If you want to write all of the phases, it's okay. And the other people, if you want to write another a phase that somebody else right before, you can do it.
Now, guys, we have evaporation, condensation, and collection. Thank you. So, yeah, you're right. And we'll see them in a close view later. So, let's continue. Let me clear all drawings. Okay, so everyone, let's begin. This is a topic that you already saw, that it's a water cycle. And just to introduce ourselves is Ana Laura, Abel Alejandro, Jochua Contreras, and Joana Michelle. And let's start. So, can anyone please help me to read this little paragraph, please?
Yeah. The water cycle. The water cycle is a process of water moving around between the air and the land. The path that all waters follow as it moves around her and different states.
Thank you. So, as we all concluded before, this is a process of the water moving around the air and air. So we can call it a hydrologic cycle too, and it does not have neither an ending nor a beginning. So it's like a giant circle, and it involves 4 main phases. Shall we see them? And the first one.
Okay, I'm going to talk about the evaporation. So pretty much evaporation happens when the sun pretty much hits the surface of the water. Now this makes the particles of the water to start moving faster and faster until they transform into gas. And you can see this process while, I don't know, maybe you're heating water for a tea or to make a soup, and the water just starts boiling, and it produces the that process of evaporation, turning water into gas. Okay, next one. So once the water turns into gas, the next process happens. That's condensation, but I will let Teacher Joshua explain that.
Yes, so the next one is condensation. And this is basically the opposite of evaporation, right? So we have that condensation is a process by which water vapor in the air is changed into liquid water. So this process is crucial to the water cycle because it is responsible for the formation of clouds, right? So you don't have to look at something as far away as a cloud to notice condensation. It is basically maybe the water drips outside of a glass of iced tea. So then you can notice condensation. So let's go to the next one.
Now, Andrea, can you help me read the first point, please?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Precipitation is water released from clouds.
It's water released from clouds. Thank you. Michelle, can you help me to read the second point, please?
Yes. It is the prime.
It's okay. You can do it. You can do it.
What?
Oh, sorry.
Okay.
You can.
No, it's okay. It is the primary connection in the water cycle that provides for the delivery of atmospheric water to the earth.
Thank you. It's okay. You did it very good. Thank you. Omar, can you help me to read the third one, please?
Yeah, most precipitation falls as the rain.
Thank you so much. Well, precipitation, once the water has condensed and it has become a cloud, is when it travels through many parts of the world, thanks to the wind. And do you know what clouds are made of, Hector? Do you know what clouds are made of?
Sugar.
Sugar. Oh, it would be very delicious. But no, it's not sugar. No? Hector, do you know? Not sugar, please?
Sorry. Can you repeat the question?
Yes. Do you know what clouds are made of?
No.
No. Well, clouds are made of many little drops of water that are suspended in the air, okay? And as the clouds grows and grows and grows, all the little drops of water grows and grows too. And this event, or this causes the precipitation. And precipitation can happen in different forms. Do you know what forms are those?
Ice.
Like ice or drops.
Yes, like ice or drops.
And snow.
Well, snow, yes.
Rain.
The rain, excellent, are the most common forms of precipitation. The rain, but then there is also the snow and even the hail.
Okay. Collection. This is an interesting phase of the water cycle because it's when the precipitation happens, gets stored in many places. Around 96 of Earth's water gets salty, and the other part is called fresh water. And it is stored such as in lakes, glaciers, snow caps, or rivers. And because it's the last phase, or maybe not, it is not the last phase because it is a cycle and begins again with evaporation. And okay, so guys, I'm going to present you a picture and you will tell me if you can see the face in the that is circle.
Evaporation.
It is evaporation. Thank you. The next one.
Condensation.
It is condensation. Thank you.
Collection. I'm not sure.
Collection. Thank you.
Okay, so now that we saw this topic, we are going to do an activity. So let me share you the activity, right? Hold on. So here we have to put what phase of the water cycle is in the image, right? So who can tell me where is evaporation?
Right there, over the sea.
Okay.
No, that one.
Okay.
That one.
Here.
Yeah.
Okay. So then we have condensation. Where? Of the top, of the right, or the bottom?
In the top.
The top. Okay. Then precipitation. Where?
The one that's raining.
On the water.
Okay.
The one that is raining. Yeah.
Okay, in the rain, and collection obviously is at the bottom, right? So
at the bottom, yeah.
These ones. So this the instructions are that you have to draw a line to match the picture to the correct stage of the water cycle, right? So we have here edges. So we have to match where is what phase is the water, right?
Yeah.
First one, what is? This is condensation, precipitation.
This is the last picture.
Okay, condensation is the last.
Collection. Oh. Huh?
Okay, Hector,
that one.
condensation is the last picture, right?
Yeah.
Okay, this is tricky. But yeah, it's condensation. We have that, okay? Then we have the first one. Who says the first one? Michelle?
Yes.
Okay, what is it?
Collection.
Okay, collection. Oh, okay.
Oh.
We have the second one.
Evaporation.
Evaporation, yeah. Then we have the third one, the car, snow. What do you think it is?
Condensation.
Did you say precipitation?
No. Oh.
Yes or no?
I don't know.
Precipitation, right? Because it's snowing.
Yeah, I see. Right.
We are going to see in a second. And then we have that condition is this one, but I don't know why I can't put it. But yeah, it's condensation. No. So check the answers. So we have, it says that we have 9 of 10, but it's 10 to 10. So because I can put it here. But yes, you're right. You did a perfect. Congratulations.
Yeah.
So let me. Yes. Who can tell me what do you like of this class? What do you find interesting? Something that you really like? Something that you really know about this?
And then when we initiate the class, I didn't know how to say the water cycle in English. Well, now I know.
Yes, that's very good. Now you have the vocabulary, right? So thank you. Someone else?
Pretty cool to remember.
That now I remember the water cycle in English and in Spanish.
Oh, that's right. Yeah.
Useful.
Very useful. Omar, do you want to say something?
Yeah. Actually, it was pretty cool to remember the water cycle. You know, there's some stuff that I forgot. You know, and now I remember back.
That's very good. So that was all for us. Thank you for being here, and see you next class.
Thank you.
Thank
Take
you.
care.
Bye-bye.
See you.
If you can take a screenshot and send to us, please. We will be great.